afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the BAE Systems Innovation Theatre, the home of innovation.
Here at BAE Systems, we work to deliver the benefits of innovation.
Using ideas to protect soldiers, sailors, airmen and women, and security and emergency services personnel.
Using ideas to make design and manufacture safer and more efficient.
Using ideas to save money.
Using ideas to improve the lifespan of equipment and make it easier to maintain.
Let's show you some examples.
We all know about the threat of improvised explosive devices, or IEDs. To defeat them, you need to innovate. You need intelligence to defeat the bomb makers, the ability to analyse vast amounts of information and to find those making or using such devices. And you need new methods of detection, specialised sensors that can detect when a device like this has been in place, as well as new methods of neutralisation using novel standoff approaches to defeat the device.
In crowded places, a key challenge is to detect those behaving suspiciously, making repeated actions, or leaving objects in unexpected places. We have developed systems that can detect such abnormal behaviour and track the suspects in crowded public areas.
On the battlefield, the challenge is the gathering of intelligence, analysing it to make informed decisions, and getting the right data to the right person at the right time. We've developed systems that provide defence and security forces with the ability to respond fast, delivering real-time information for quicker responses, better targeting, and better communication. Putting it all together and delivering the right information to the right people, as well as focusing on system redundancy, creating systems that can analyse and cope with gaps in the data.
Looking at one specific example, our airborne wide area persistent surveillance system provides day and night surveillance to detect hostile operations, such as IED placement, helping commanders to know what's going on and protecting the soldiers on the ground.
For the soldiers on the ground, we're looking at what they have to carry and how we can lighten the load. We're looking at lightweight equipment and armour that can reduce the soldiers' payload's weight by up to 10 kilograms, and that in turn can be up to 35% of the load. Many items in today's soldiers' payload need batteries, and different batteries to make them work. So we're looking at an integrated wearable power supply that incorporates the wiring into the soldier's personal gear. The same principle can work for radio aerials, also reducing the soldier's profile.
From land to sea. Imagine you're in a submarine. What's the last thing you want to have in the hull? The answer is holes. But typically there can be up to 300 holes in a submarine because you need sensors on the outside feeding information to the inside. We have developed technology that allows the transfer of data and power through the solid steel of the hull, which is not only safer, there are no holes, but it saves money. Maintaining a hole and the hull around it costs millions over the life of a submarine. And this same technology can be used with any hull structure, such as surface ships or in armoured vehicles.
Military equipment lasts a long time. It's designed to. But that means that its maintenance and upgrade is an integral part of its through-life cost. Across our business, we're looking at ways to assist our customers with the readiness and sustainment of their assets. One practical example of this is the wing sensors on the Typhoon aircraft. Previously, when these failed, we had to take the wings off to replace them, a 1,000 man-hours operation. So we rapidly developed a system that means we don't have to take the wings off. This keeps the aircraft flying and saves over £80,000 per repair. For the future, we're looking at complex networks of sensors that allow equipment itself to determine faults or structural fatigue, much like our own central nervous system. This is especially important for unmanned vehicles, allowing them to autonomously detect whether they're still mission capable.
And we bring our innovation skills to new platforms. Demon is an unmanned air vehicle that uses blown air to manoeuvre, rather than the normal flaps and control surfaces, reducing overall operating costs. At sea, our future surface combatant offers new ship variants with common hulls and combat systems developed by BAE Systems. And we're working on future submarine designs. On land, future vehicle concepts include lightweight patrol vehicles, new wheeled vehicle designs, and new combat vehicles for the US Army.
And we're looking at the wider picture. Within the military supply chain, energy is a key cost, and we're looking at intelligent systems that can analyse and calculate the fully burdened cost of fuel. Looking at the real cost of filling a fuel tank, whether that's in the air, at home on base, or on the front line. Keeping costs down and delivering energy where it's needed. Energy emissions and fuel consumption have become a global concern, and we're looking at transferring innovation from the military to the city. Thank you. Buses powered by BAE Systems' hybrid drive technology have carried over 1 billion passengers, and 1 million people use them every day. BAE Systems powered hybrid buses have prevented the release of about 100,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide emissions and have saved nearly 40 million litres of diesel fuel.
BAE Systems is working worldwide to deliver innovative ideas to our customers.
From the design of ships, vehicles and aircraft, to the systems that make them effective and connect them, the materials they're made from, and the analysis of the roles of the people who operate them, we are committed to using the best ideas, to integrating the best ideas, and to making them work.
Thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.